BusBar welding is a crucial step in the lithium battery module pack process section. In this process, the cathode and anode electrode of different cells are connected in series and parallel through bar sheets using laser welding. Module pack process system pain points. In section contents of the appearance. In section machine after BusBar welding. Core weld with surface crack, sagging pit hole, solder, residue, welding deviation, discoloration, black, large welding gap. Technical requirements for the appearance. In section machine after BusBar welding. The biggest defect detection. Core weld with Eholly solution. Appearance in section machine after BusBar welding.